Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes self-employed. First, it's crucial to understand your tax obligations. As a self-employed individual, you're responsible for both income tax and self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare. You'll typically need to file if your net earnings from self-employment are $400 or more. We'll cover the key forms and steps to ensure a smooth filing process. Next, meticulous record keeping is essential. You need to track all your business income, whether from Form 1099 NEC or direct payments. Equally important is tracking every deductible business expense, from home office costs to supplies. Keeping good records helps you maximize deductions and accurately report your net profit. Consider using accounting software to simplify this process significantly. Now, let's talk about estimated taxes and deductions. If you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes, you'll likely need to pay estimated taxes quarterly using Form 1040-ES. Don't forget to claim all eligible business deductions, such as qualified business income, health insurance premiums, and business mileage. These deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income and your overall tax bill. Finally, it's time to file. You'll transfer your net profit from Schedule C to your Form 1040 and calculate your self-employment tax on Schedule SC. Double-check all your entries for accuracy before submitting your return electronically or by mail. Remember, staying organized throughout the year makes tax season much less stressful. Also, for more great financial insights, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.